European Authorized Representatives. What are they, what is their purpose, and do you need one? In this video, I'll be breaking down for you what the requirements are for non-EU based medical device manufacturers and how you go about finding and appointing an appropriate EU Authorized Representative. Number 1. What is an EU Authorized Representative? They are any natural or legal person or entity established within the European Union who has accepted a written agreement from a manufacturer located outside the Union. They act on the manufacturer's behalf within that region, taking any shared responsibility for any legal obligations in regards to defective products placed onto the market. Number 2. Why do you need an EU Authorized Representative? For non-European Union-based manufacturers, it is a legal requirement to appoint a suitable EU Authorized Representative prior to placing their products onto the market within the European Union. If you are a manufacturer based in the Union or have no intention of selling there, then you are exempt from this requirement. Number 3. How do you find and appoint one? Although many companies based outside the Union appoint the EU distributors for this position, it is important to realise that they have joint legal obligations and are your single point of contact if any issues arise with your products. Hence, it is important to find a representative with the appropriate knowledge and experience of not only your products, but also the regulatory requirements for placing your medical device on the market within the EU. There are many established individuals and companies offering these services which can be found online. Once found, you are required for them to sign a written mandate detailing their obligations to you as a manufacturer and in accordance to the requirements detailed within the medical devices regulations. Once appointed, you are required to state their full name and address on all of your product labelling prior to being released on the EU market. Number 4. What are the obligations and duties? Once appointed, an EU Authorised Representative must verify that your EU Declaration of Conformity and technical files are appropriate to the relative conformity assessments. They're also required to keep up-to-date copies of such files and present them to a competent authority in a language appropriate to that member state. They're also required to cooperate with competent authorities on any field safety corrective actions, recalls or ship holds, and immediately inform the manufacturer of which they know and represent of any known complaints or reports about their devices. If they deem a manufacturer not be acting to the required regulations, they may terminate the agreement at any given time and let the relevant competent authorities know about this and the reasoning for doing so. Hence why it is important to choose wisely. If there are any other topics you'd like for me to discuss in future, then either leave something in the comments below or send me a private message. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.